Major Rob Atchison, and I'm military assistant to the commander of United Kingdom Space Command. It's vital that people with good ideas push forward, because wherever we go in the future, it won't be by ourselves. And so seeing people start something incredible, inspirational and amazing in essentially a large garage and then move into this purpose-built facility is incredible. And I think more people doing that is only going to be better for the rest of us. So I think a lot of it comes around to sustainability and how we make sure we don't make mistakes off Earth. I think we'll be able to produce things we can't even dream of right now. So once we understand it more, there'll be things that we'll be able to bring to Earth and our way of life that will transform it and make it better for humanity as a whole. And then I think the returnable technology, it's just something that people kind of haven't, SpaceX has done great things, but they haven't really gone into the real detail of how we can make it more sustainable, how we can make it better. And so the team here at Space Forge are like pushing ahead with that, and we're so excited to kind of see what falls out from it. It's surpassing my dreams and expectations.